It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm the Professor, and in this video, I've got some big news. Okay, so the big announcement is that I'm starting a new series. It is called Project Infinity. And in this series, we're going to be basically doing Marvel-related props, starting off with Thors Hammer, moving on to Iron Man's helmet. Okay, so here we have the raw 3D prints for Thor's hammer. We have the two hammer heads. We have the hammer handle in two parts. And basically, we're going to glue them together, clean up the edges, sand, paint. So, here's some photos of the prints. I don't have a lot of them because I wasn't sure what I was going to do. But I know for the future now that I'll make sure I'll take videos and pictures of everything that I print. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video.